Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and I've got a problem. A Hot Wheels problem. Alright, so it would be bad enough if it was just 1, 2, or the 3 Model 3 Hot Wheels that you just saw, but I might have gone back and collected them all. So I don't have a man cave in the house. The garage kind of is my man cave, and I have all these Hot Wheels, and I don't know what to do with them. So well, come with me. Come check them out. Yes, as you can see, all of those Hot Wheels and nowhere to really put them. So I found something. I looked online, searched and searched and searched for Hot Wheels displays. Most of them, you have to take them out of the package. And of course, grown-ups playing with kids' toys, we know not to take them out of the package. So I finally found something on Etsy, and we're gonna look at it together, see how it works. And I'll give you a link down below. I bought this with my own money. There's no discount codes, but if you like it, hopefully it helps and you can get one too. So let's test it out. All right, so here it is, all of it. Maybe it'll make more sense when we start loading it up with Hot Wheels. It's a little confusing looking, but hey, 4 rows and we've got 4 cars. The S3, the X, and the original Roadster. So one of the reasons why I like this one the most from what I found online is that this one actually has a lucite cover, which is gonna be great since this is going in the garage. So let's load this thing up and see what it looks like. Alright, so, of course we've got the Elon signature wall charger. We went to Kennedy Space Center, picked up a nice Joyride Through Space poster, and now we've got some Hot Wheels. So I think that looks like the right spot. Yep, feel pretty good about that. So we'll get some measurements, mark the wall, and go ahead and screw it in. Let's get you in here for a closer look. So first we'll go on this side. You can see that looks perfect. And over here on the left, it just wasn't quite a perfect fit. And you can see the screw is not in the hole. So if I get in there for you, you can see it kind of made its own place. So it's a little imperfect, but we'll go ahead and be happy with it. All right, and of course, since this is going to live in the garage, let's cover it up. All right, so there you have it. That is the Tesla Hot Wheels display case in my man cave, the garage. We've got all of our S's in a row, all of our Model 3s, all of our X's, and all of our Roadsters, and plenty of room to grow. So if you like this, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you were interested to know where I got this, like I said before, I got it on Etsy. I will leave you a link to it. I did pay for it. There's no discounts, but it did the trick. Perfect display case for my Hot Wheels. So that's it for this one, everyone. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.